very hot day. It's gonna be about 85 degrees and it's very humid. All right, so guess what? It's barbecue time. All right, guys, barbecue time. All right, you guys want to cook with me? All right, guys, let's go. But don't be scared. All right, guys, let's go. All right, today I'm gonna make a chicken barbecue. All right. Hey guys, who told you you cannot cook the whole chicken in the barbecue? I'm gonna show you. All right. So here you go. You get the knife or you get the scissor, right? And you're gonna cut. If you bring the camera here, you're gonna see how I'm gonna cut the chicken. Right? From the back, you cut. Right? Take your time. Right? Very good. This is a secret. All right? And all right. So from that, you just do like this, and it's gonna cook flat. See, guys? Also, don't forget to make holes in the chicken. All right? I have holes here everywhere. You guys can see. See? You can make big holes, right? Make big holes so all the vegetables penetrate. All right? So it's holes everywhere. All right. So let's start with this. All right? Okay. That's what I need to do this dish. All right? So it's delicious. It's very, very, very good, guys. But don't be afraid. Don't be afraid, guys. All right, let's go. Okay, I have here 1 tablespoon of onion powder, 2 tablespoons of garlic powder. I have here 1 lemon zest, right? I have here 1 big onion. I have here 1 cup of olive oil, guys. All right. Also, I have here 1 cup of teriyaki sauce. I have here 1 package of chicken bouillon, okay? And I have here 1 Sazon, that's 1 package. Also I have here oregano. Oregano I have 1 teaspoon. Salt also I have 1 teaspoon, okay? Here I have 1 stick of butter, it's already melted. Alright, I have here 1 teaspoon of black pepper. Alright guys, black pepper. I love black pepper. Alright, so, but if you don't like black pepper, don't use. Right? So also I have here 1 teaspoon of thyme. I have here parsley. Parsley I use only for decoration. Alright? So I have a half bunch. Also I have here cilantro. Alright, cilantro I have 1 bunch. Also I like to cook with specialty chicken to marinate it. I like to use the powder, the onion powder, garlic powder, and also I like to use the real one. You know what I mean? I have 6 cloves of garlic here, and also I have here half cup of steak sauce, and I have also like to use teriyaki sauce. I use 2 types of teriyaki sauce, the regular one, and I like to use the marinade also. So the marinade sauce, I have 3 tablespoons, all right? And I have also here 1 lemon. I use this lemon already to squeeze the zest for that, but I'm gonna use this one too, all right? So let's marinate this. All right, guys, let's go. All right, so I'm gonna start first with my onion. All right, very good. This is the garlic powder. Looks good. This is the lemon zest. All right, very good. The color and the flavor is coming together, guys. All right, very good. So this is my onion. It's 1 big onion. All right, good. Should be like that. Okay, so this is my cilantro. All right. Very good. This is my garlic. 6 cloves of garlic. Because the color is coming together. This is my olive oil. looking good. This is teriyaki sauce. All right. Smells so good, guys. It smells good. It smells good. All right. This is my thyme. My black pepper. This is my chicken bouillon. Good. This is my Sazon. This is my oregano. Right? My salt. Only 1 teaspoon, guys. Alright. This is my butter. Alright. Very good. Alright. Now this is my teriyaki marinated. Okay, guys, they're a little gloss. You can see that. Look, very gloss and a little bit sugar. I like it. It's delicious too. Okay, very good. So this is my steak sauce. Alright. Very good. So this is my lemon. Bingo. Alright, guys. Lemon. Just squeeze. Right? Another one. Very good. This is gonna taste delicious, guys. And stir. The colors and the flavor comes together, guys. All right, very good. All right, guys, I'm gonna leave here. I'm gonna marinate this, and I'm gonna leave for 1 hour. All right, you have to leave at least 1 hour. You can also leave overnight if you guys want. All right, only for 1 hour. Very good, guys. Alright, looking good, looking good. So you can put your hands there, alright? I wash my hands already. So I'm gonna leave half an hour this side, alright? And after that I'm gonna flip the other side to have another half an hour. Okay, guys, so I will see you in a little bit. Alright? Alright, guys. That's it. See what's happening here. See what's going on. Alright, very good. It's looking good. Okay, guys, it has been 1 hour marinated, right? So now you guys can take a look how beautiful it looks. And the marinade looks perfect, right? So follow me. Alright, guys, looking good, guys. Alright, let's cook this baby, right? Alright. When you cook, especially the whole chicken, alright, guys, make sure if you cook low, alright, so it doesn't burn. It's heavy. Heavy. Whoa. All right. Very good. It smells so good, guys. It smells good. Looking good, guys. All right. And don't forget to press. All right. All the sauce keep going back and forth as it's cooking. So you're going to press. All right. So see you guys in a bit. Hey guys, alright, time to check, right? Right, Wow, it smells so good, guys. Smell good here. Smell very good. So let's time to flip. It's looking good, guys. Alright, now it's time to paste. Alright, time to paste. Good. Looking good. Bye guys, see you in a little bit. Alright guys, let's check. Woo, it's looking good. Looking good, guys. Looking good. And that's yep, it's looking good. Wow, smells so good, guys. Alright guys, I'm gonna let it for 5 more minutes and I'll be right back. Okay? Hey guys! Alright, very good! Alright guys! Hey! Look at that! Final! See that? Beautiful, guys, you can so taste very, very good. Alright? So, let you know. Good. So good, guys. Guys, very good. It's melting in my mouth. The juice. Very good. I have to take another piece. This tastes unbelievable. You guys have to try it. Right? Very good, guys. Alright. Hey guys. You guys have a good weekend, right?